So in this video, I'm going to give you a real world walkthrough on how I'm using Lead Score in order to actually make phone calls. These are real calls for my SnapSuite business. As I'm using it, I'm actually fixing bugs and fixing issues, but I thought it'd be a great exercise to just walk through my thought process on how I'm using the tools, things that I see that can be improved, and just give you like my overall take on the tool we're building to solve real problems. So right now I have a lead up here. I'm going to have to block some of these numbers out, but I have a lead up. I just called this guy. It was a weird call actually because he wanted me to send him some information. So I'm just going to put him as not interested. And I'll mark this is a cold calling note. Okay. So the first thing I noticed when you click next, move on to the next person, is I have to click on this, click on edit, then click on Charles to see the name of who I'm trying to contact. So that's really annoying. I just fixed that. Let me see if the deployment went out. I don't want to lose my spot. Let me open a new tab and see if I got that fixed. There we go. See here, no name. I just did a deployment to fix that because it was annoying to have the old thing, and I'm at Foundry right now. So I'm going to go down to that contact. Foundry. Charles Smith, that's the person I need to talk to. I have a headset with one ear open because I find it really annoying when both are closed. I'm going to start making calls and let you guys know how it goes. So I'm going to click on the call button. Now I can't see the actual website here. So what I'll do is I'll click open just to take a quick glance of the website. We're going to actually improve this so that it actually takes a screenshot. This way you don't have to do this sort of annoying thing of open. I got some idea of what this company is about. And I'm just going to call Charles is who I'm looking for. There's two owners. And when I call, it's opening up my dial pad. Hi, is this Charles? This is a cold call, by the way, so I don't want to waste your time or anything. I just want to know if you guys have a system that you use to keep track of your job schedule and projects and build a trend. Got it. Great software. Awesome. Okay, won't waste your time. Thanks for your time. Have a great day. Bye. They use Builder Trend for their system, so not a good fit. Okay, then I'm just going to move on to the next lead. Martin, no email address. Opening up my dial pad over here. They don't have a website, so I can't look at it. It's ringing out. Okay, so I won't even bother leaving a voicemail. Okay, we're going to actually have some drop downs where you could just choose voicemail. I think right now I'm just dropping it in the notes for now. Move on to the next call. No website again. Annoying. Hi, David. How are you doing? Good. So this is a cold call. I was wondering if you have a system to keep track of your projects, your jobs, do quotations, that sort of deal. Is that something you might be interested in exploring? Like a system that could get it out to your head, free up some of your time? Got you. No worries. Have a good day. Bye. Not interested, but I caught him at a busy time. So I'm going to label that as a potential callback. Okay. Next call. All right. This is Pedro. I'm trying to learn the names properly. Make sure I don't mess it up. So let's call Pedro. Sorry, it keeps going on the other system. Okay, voicemail. Eric. Hi. Sorry, who am I speaking with? Leslie. Hi, Leslie. How are you doing? So this is good. So this is a cold call, so I don't want to waste your time. I was trying to get a hold of Eric. Gotcha. Tomorrow, what would be a good time to reach out to him? Dwayne. Oh, Eric, sorry. Morning hours would be better. Quick question. Do you guys currently use a system to track your jobs, project scheduling, that sort of deal? Job, what, sorry? Nimbus. Got you. Awesome. Okay, perfect. Appreciate your time. Thank you. All right, have a good day. Goodbye. She said they have a CRM system called Job Nimbus. Best time to call Eric is probably in the morning. Oh my goodness. I don't know how to pronounce this. Get the name if you're going to call people. Medios. Or Medios. Medios. This is the one. Hi, it's Dwayne from SnapSuite. This is a cold call. I was just trying to find out some information about if you guys use a system to keep track of your jobs, schedule and project management, that sort of deal. Hello? She hang up on me. Never talk to the admin people. Gatekeeper. Gatekeeper hang up on me. Oh my goodness, really? Next call. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce this one too. Hi, is this Edmund? Sorry, you said speaking? Okay, sorry. My name is Dwayne. I'm calling from SnapSuite. This is a cold call. Sorry, I don't want to take up too much of your time. This is just a cold call, but I was just curious if you have a system to track your projects, schedule jobs. I don't know. We're a software company. We help companies manage projects, scheduling, billing, automate the process. One other question, if you don't mind. That's it. That's all we're doing for today. Okay. Based on that, how many calls did I get done today? I'm not certain. I need to count the calls made times to click that button. Metrics. I'm making phone calls and then I'm finding the problems and then I'm fixing this. So the goal is to make the most efficient system possible to be able to make highly streamlined phone calls so that you could just get about your day. So that's basically where we're at. In the next video, I'm going to show you a little bit more about how to manage the pipeline of deals. This is just really just a quick sort of guide on how to actually make phone calls through the system. Thanks. Have a wonderful day.